What's up, you guys? Your boy Amazing Prosper. How you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be trading this week and how I traded last week as a Forex day trader in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. Remember, I told you guys that last week is going to be a bearish week, and it happened. This week, I also have an expectation. I also have a probability mindset of what I'm expecting this week. Yeah. So if you are going to stay through this video, you are going to be seeing what I'm going to be doing this week as a day trader in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's go directly to the video. Let's go.
So guys, welcome to my chat. So amazing. So last week was a very interesting week. Yeah, so if you watch my last video that I did, how I traded last 2 weeks, you know that I said that this market is going to be dropping from here, but it didn't happen exactly how we expected it to happen. That's why it is called the market. So market is a very dynamic thing, like place to play. If you want to play in this place, you have to have what we call ability to adjust. You can't manipulate the market. You can't make a rules on this market that will happen to this market, but you can adjust and start learning how to use probability game and how to apply it whenever you are trading. So I told you guys that this market is going to be dropping last week, but what I was expecting for this market to do is to reach this zone, which is this big trend line that is here. But the market did not happen that way. Instead, the market started dropping from here. So, but some of us made a good decision last week. So this was last week. This was last week on Tuesday. I sold from here. This was on Tuesday. Yeah, so I sold from here and I sent the link on my description. You can join my free Telegram channel on the description. I sold from here last week to here. Then I exited. Then I saw this one too. Then I didn't hold this trade much because I was scalping this trade. Yeah, but the market hit my stop loss. The market went down around about 20 something pips. Yeah, around 20 something pips, then immediately reverse and hit my stop loss. This was a very painful one. Yeah, and I also share it on my on my Telegram channel. You can join with the link on the description. So this one was the one that I shared later on Wednesday before this massive drop. I didn't see this massive drop happening. I was thinking that this market is going to be consolidating here onto the market to reach this zone, which I was expecting. So, but I saw the buy opportunity because I literally was expecting it to hit this, so that's why I was looking for a buy opportunity here. But I shared the trade, and immediately I saw this candle here, I said immediately, I was shouting, exit this trade on my Telegram channel. Exit. Immediately I exit from the trade. You see what happened? The market started dropping from there. So from last week, the market dropped a very huge pips, about 700 and something pips to the downside. From here to here, 700 and something pips. Hold on, let me show you guys. From here, from this zone to here, that's about 712 pips to the downside. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so these lines that you are seeing here is called psychology levels, which it work like a support and resistance zone. That's where I take my trades. Let me show you guys something. You can see what happened here. Once the market reaches this cycle level, what happened? It started dropping. Once the market reaches cycle level, what happened? It started rallying up. What about where the market? You can see here, there is a psychology level there, 178.500. What happened? The market started rejecting from there. What about here? You can see psychology levels are here. So psychology levels are random numbers that bank and hedge funds paid close attention to. So once you as a micro trader, like as independent trader, like someone, a retail trader, you have to also use it when you are trading. Even if you are using maybe support and resistance zone, but you also have to apply psychology levels on your zones, which means that with that confluences, you can also be able to take trades like the bands and know where the major moves are going to happen. Like what happened on Friday. Immediately when I woke up, I did my analysis and I said that I'm looking for a buy opportunity on this zone, 180.500. So the market later came back there around 9 o'clock in the morning, but I wasn't sure enough because the market wasn't closer much to my zone, but the market started running up here aggressively from that place. because I mapped this boss and said, okay, I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity around this boss on psychology level 180.500. The market did not reach that 180.500. Clearly started going up. It went up about 100 and something pips and reversed back there again and hit that psychology level. You can see this one. It hit the psychology level like clearly and started valuing up immediately. That was where the market closed. From that place, it started going up aggressively to the upside and closed somewhere here on Friday. So amazing. So psychology level works crazily, and that's what I use instead of instead of support and resistance zone, like what we know as support and resistance zone, drawing a boss like anywhere you see a boss or this one. But this one worked for me perfectly. You can also use it if you want. So the next thing that I use is a trend line strategy. So let me show you guys this. So I already have this. This is psychology levels, trend lines, chart pattern, and wick rejection. So my chart pattern is this M and W. Sorry, or you can call it double top and double bottom. So once I see this thing, two things here, I'm going to be entering into for a trade. So the wick rejections are what complete this. Once I start seeing the first leg, the second leg, so what will I be seeing? What will I be looking at from here? This second leg or this one? What I'll be looking at is this rejection. Once I start seeing a rejection of that trend, maybe for a buy opportunity, once I start seeing a rejection from getting lower, once the market is saying, okay, I'm not going to get lower from this place, then I started seeing this rejection, then I'm going to be getting in for a buy opportunity. What about here? Once I start seeing that the market say, okay, I'm not going higher anymore, I'm stopping here, and there is a psychology level close by there, then I'm going to be entering for a sell opportunity. So the next one is a trend line. So the trend line is very simple too. You can see on my chart, you can see that clearly I do with trend line. I don't play with trend line. This is where I do my rough work. This is where I do my rough work, and that's why I don't clear anything here, because I also go back here and backtest everything that I have done for the week or for the month or even for the year. Yeah, this is almost close to the year, end of the year. So I'm going to be going back all this place and start looking at all the things that I have done for the week, for the year. So that's how I trade. So it's very interesting journey trading. If you know how to trade very well, you will love it. It doesn't matter whether you lose or whether you make profits. What really matters is, do you love this game? So if you love this game, you have to pay close attention to what you are doing. You have to know about the detail of what you are doing. The game is very sweet, so don't let anybody try to manipulate you or try to make you feel like you're not going to get good on what you are doing. Only what you have to do is dedicate your time, everything that you have to the chart. Know that, okay, this is what I want to do and this is how I'm going to be doing it. So amazing. So the next thing is this week I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity here too. I'm going to be looking for a massive sell opportunity that is going to maybe take out this low here, take out this low here. So if I see a flash up to the upside to this zone around here, then I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity that is going to take out this low here. If you take out this low, then we are going to be getting in for a buy opportunity here again. So because this place has been a very weak, let's go to a higher time frame. The higher time frame will be clearer. For this Monday, I don't think that is going to get here. So that's why I have this boss here. This boss here is a very clear one, because Monday trade is always consolidating, ranging. So once the market range for this Monday, the market is going to hit somewhere here on Tuesday. Once the market hits here on Tuesday, then I'm going to be looking for a sell opportunity. Remember, this is probability. I'm not in control. Forget that I'm saying it with boldness, but I'm not in control. I don't know how it's going to happen. But for me, I'm a technical trader and a price action trader. So once I start seeing everything that I'm used to trade getting closer, like the conferences are getting together and making me look for something that I want. Once I start seeing, okay, this is it, there's a trend line here, there's a psychology level here, and there's a chart pattern here, then I'm going to be taking my trades. I'm not going to be expecting it to do exactly what I was expecting because this is market, so it is dynamic, so everything changes immediately. So the next thing is this. the trend line. So the trend line is this. You can see the first touch, the second touch, the third touch. So the first touch, the second touch, the third touch. The third touch most time is the one that is the most aggressive one, the third touch. So if the trend line is not strong enough, the fourth one always break it. The fourth one always break. So whenever you see the first one, the second one, the third one, and you want to take the fourth one, always know that there is a probability that is going to break it. So, but when the market is very strong, when the trend is very strong, the fourth one also hold. So that's what happened here. You can see the first touch, the second touch, the third one. Then what happened? The fourth one broke down. It broke down. So once it broke down, but it broke down last week, but it didn't hold, like it didn't started going down aggressively because there is much demand zone here. The bulls are already ready for anything happening here. They are ready for the BS here. So this place was the zone that I expected that the market is going up, and that's what happened. Market bounced on that psychology level. I said it that this 0.500 is going to be an aggressive place for the market to take up, and that's what happened. It didn't reach here, but it reached here, then it started taking off from that place to the upside. So amazing. That's it. I think that's it for this video, because not too much. I've showed you guys my trend line, my chart pattern, root projections, and any other thing. So if you want to watch other videos that I have done, maybe explain this one in detail, this one, and this one, you can check down below on some videos that you can watch.
Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. Hit that like button for your boy. See you in the next video. Peace out.